Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Jane. I'm here again with another topic, multiplying by 9 for one digit number. From my board, you can see 9 multiplied by 1 up to 10. It's just for one digit number, but it also works for number 10. So let's do it. It's a math trick that will help you to easily multiply any one digit number by 9. If you have 9 multiplied by 1, let's start there. It will be, you first of all subtract that particular number. Subtract 1 from that particular number, which is 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you minus whatever you get, subtract whatever you get from 9, which is 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. You add, when writing the answer, you write this first before this, which is 0, 9. And 0, 9 is the same thing as 9. Any number that 0 is at the front, like 17, is the same thing as 17. So 0, 9 is the same thing as 9. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. The second number is 9 times 2. So we have 2 minus 1. Always subtract 1 from the number, which is 1. Then whatever you get, you subtract it from 9, which is 9 minus 1, which is 8. So you write the 1 first before 8, which is 18. 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18. The third question is 9 multiplied by 3. We have 3 minus 1. The answer is 2. 9 minus the 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So you write 2 first before 7. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. So the next one is 9 multiplied by 4. We have 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. You write 3 first before 6. 36. The next question is 9 multiplied by 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So we write 4 first before 5. Have 45. The next question is 9 multiplied by 6, which we have 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. And the 9 minus the 5 we got is 4. So you write 5 first before 4, which is 54. 9 multiplied by 6 is 54. The next question is 9 multiplied by 7. So we have our 7 here, minus 1 is 6. And then 9 minus 6 is 3. We have our 63. 9 multiplied by 7 is 63. The next question is 9 times 8. So we have our 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. We have our 72. 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 72. The next question is 9 multiplied by 9. So we have our 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 9 minus 8 is 1. So we have our 81. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. The next I told you is for one digit number, but it also applies to 10. So we'll be stopping at 9 multiplied by 10, which is 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 9 minus 9 is 0. So we'll have our 9 and 0. We'll have our 9 and 0, which is 9.